Hello everyone, I'm Aparajita and today I'm joined by Lakshika. I'll tell you why she is here. First of all, as you know that we are already preparing students for CLAT and different law entrance exams. There is yet another thing that we're going to start soon for another exam about which Lakshika is here to tell us.
Okay, so hi guys, I'm here to talk about the CUET PG LLB exam. So this is basically the 3-year LLB exam that you give after your graduation. So I'll just brief you about it. So the conducting body for this exam is NTA, the National Testing Agency. The exam level is postgraduate, that is after your graduation. Then the exam mode would be online, that is computer based, and MCQs questions would be there. Then the marking scheme is +4 for each correct answer and -1 for incorrect answer.
Okay, we move on to the next slide.
Yeah. Then here you can see the important dates regarding this exam. Please just take a screenshot if you guys want, and this is the eligibility criteria. You guys can see it on the screen. Yeah. So okay, let me just give you an overview for this exam. So it is just designed to assess a candidate's aptitude, subject knowledge, reasoning, analytical abilities, and general awareness regarding various national and international topics.
Okay. And as you've already mentioned before, it's a multiple choice questions are going to be coming in the exam,
computer
and it
based
is computer based, which will be very convenient for everybody to
definitely
if they want to take
it.
Okay. Now,
so the most important thing, the eligibility criteria for CUET PG LLB. So let's just see. So for those who are targeting central universities such as DU, Allahabad University, Banaras Hindu, Lucknow University for their 3-year LLB course. So for them the exam is CUET PG LLB exam, which is common for every university. So the eligibility criteria here is for general category that they must have a minimum 50% marks in their graduation, and relaxation is given for certain different categories, that is SCs and OBCs. And many other. So foreign students can also apply, and the biggest thing is that there is no age limit for this exam.
So you mean to say that anybody at any point of age can?
Yeah, anyone can apply. Even a retired person can apply for it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's quite fascinating. If anyone chooses to switch careers, it's never too late. All right.
So, as I told you, the exam type would be computer-based MCQs exams. The duration would be 105 minutes, that is 1 hour 45 minutes. Then the mode of language, it would be bilingual, by which I mean that the paper would either be in English or Hindi, you guys can choose, okay. Then the sections would be English or Hindi comprehensions or language, which you can say. Then general knowledge and awareness, computer basics, quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, and this is the marking scheme which I told you about, and the paper would be of 300 marks in total.
Okay, so Lakshika, over here I see one similarity. Aren't these the same section which are there in CLAT and AILET, other law entrance exams?
Yeah, the syllabus is same, almost same.
So the ones who are appearing in Hindi, say they select Hindi as their language to appear.
Yeah.
So for them, all the other ones like general knowledge, quantitative aptitude, even these papers will be in Hindi?
Everything would be in Hindi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Then these are certain topics of English language, if you could see.
Okay. So English language, this is very much similar to what I have I've been teaching in CLAT. So for CLAT preparation, so we have English grammar, which is obviously very important, and out of all the topics that I see here, reading comprehension, you must master this, synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases. So for mastering or for scoring well in English language, I think these are the ones: reading comprehension, synonym antonyms, idioms and phrases. This is something you should actually focus more on to grab maximum marks, right?
So we'll move on to the next.
Okay.
Now we have general knowledge and awareness, which also includes your current affairs. So you should focus on literature, history, Indian constitution, the great personality and famous people, sports news, national and international economy, economics, science, politics, legal awareness, trade awareness, and geography.
So these are, I think, all very important topics. I
Yeah.
think none of this can be left.
Most of them, they also come in many government exams if people
Right.
appear for, yeah.
So I don't think so any of these topics can be
Left out.
Left out.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. Now
Then
computer
these
basics.
are for computer basics. You guys must have done it in class 8 or 10 somewhere. So that is very basic. These are fundamentals of a computer. Then we have MS Office, which includes MS Word and PowerPoint, etc. Then storage devices, types of computers, input and output. Very easy. You guys must have done it in class 8, 10, even in 6.
Yes. Now I feel
Yeah.
computer is something that it has become so practical and
Yeah.
it's so easily available. Access to computer is so easily available, and these are very basic topics that I see are there. Storage devices we know of, and internet now. Who doesn't know internet now? Anybody seeing this video definitely knows what internet is. Okay. Moving on to the next.
Okay, so one of the main topics where many people struggle, general aptitude. So here we have certain mathematical concepts as well, such as you can see percentage, profit and loss, compound interest, ratio, proportion. So some of you guys might be weak in maths like me. I am also very weak in maths.
Lakshika, which is your amongst these topics, which one is most difficult for you?
I would say like compound interest and problems with ages, numbers and trains.
Okay, all right. So you can in fact take a look which one you need to target more on.
So you guys can just go through a thorough practice of it, and we are going to make it very easy for you if you join us.
Yes.
Then we have logical reasonings, where you can see these topics on the screen.
So I can see matrix arrangements,
Yeah.
linear arrangements, cause and effect, and number series, coding, decoding, inferences, non-verbal reasoning. Some important topics that I feel. Okay. Now,
Then here are some preparation tips for CUET, PG, LLB law, which ma'am would be telling you about.
so any exam that you're preparing for, first it needs focus, second it needs determination, and third it needs time management. All right. So there is something that which is already there, and study materials, of course you require study materials. One, we will also be taking you through this course, but also there are many study materials. There are so many study materials which are already available in the market. So I don't think so it should be much of difficulty to find study material
Yeah.
for this. Yes. Okay. Now this is important topics. Okay, this we have already covered. I think you can see English reading comprehension, sentence correction, general knowledge, current affairs, Indian constitution, legal awareness, computer basics, fundamental, MS Office, which we have already discussed in details, logical reasoning, ranking, testing, number series, blood relations, analogy, problems, and profit loss, which Lakshika has already covered. Now time management. As I told you that out of the three important things, time management. Now time is something, it should be managed even if you're preparing for any exam or even for your daily routine. Everything is based on time for this generation, for this time, and that is why we say it's the, what do we say, it's the need of the hour, right? So you must manage your time well. Decide your cycle of studies. Just see what is the best time wherein you can concentrate more, and take frequent breaks, but continuity is something which is most important. All right, I hope this video was useful to you, and those who plan to appear for this exam must wake up now and get going, and we will give more information on this in our later videos. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.